Welcome to sikbaggers YouTube channel. I'm Steve, and today we've got a very cool product from you. I've been following this company for quite a while. We've never really did anything with them, but today we got some stuff from RickRak. I'm sure you've heard of the company. If you haven't, please go over to the website and check them out. Not only do they have their own line of stuff, but they also carry a ton of other products from other companies on their website. Now, if this is your first time coming to our channel, just something to know about our channel, we mainly cover 99% Harley touring model stuff. Street glide, road glide, ultras, trikes, all that good stuff, road kings. We do all kinds of products for these. Now, we do like to trick out our bikes, but at the end of the day, they are a touring model. And if you like to travel, these products from RickRak are gonna be right down your alley. Now, the Harley touring models already come with a little bit of space on them compared to other motorcycles. You've got your saddlebags, and some of us even have stretch saddlebags. And of course, you can add a tour pack to the back of your bike, and you can get those in 3 different sizes. You can get the small razor, the medium chopped, or you can get the big king. And that always adds extra room if you're traveling, but there's a lot of times when we've traveled, even with the king tour pack and the stretch saddlebags, we just didn't have enough room. So the products we got here today are going to allow you to pack a lot more stuff. Even if you're traveling and your saddlebags and your tour packs are packed, at the end of the day, we all know 99% of us, we're gonna buy more stuff while we're traveling. You have to have room for that. So even if you take off and you don't have anything in this, you can always add stuff to it. Now, the very first product I want to show you today is the RickRak roller bag. Now, if you've been shopping around the market for any time at all, you've probably already seen bags that get strapped down to the top of your tour packs. You got a little rack on the top here, and you can strap more stuff down. But there's several things that make this bag stand out amongst the rest. Like I said in the beginning there, it is a roller bag. So if you look over here on the ends, we got 2 roller wheels. If we go to this side of the bag and the zipper right here, we've got a handle that pulls out. So at the end of the day, this is straight up a suitcase that gets attached to the top of your tour pack. So like most bags on the market that are designed to go on your tour pack rack up here, you have to strap them down. I'm going to show you something very cool with this one. If you look right here on the side, you've got 2 T-handles that we can unscrew here. Now, these have little rubber band things around them just to keep this from rattling and stuff when you're going down the road. But you undo these, and then you just simply lift it off, and then it's hooked to the other side. So if we look at the bottom here, you got a solid steel rack. Now, this bag is hard formed all the way around, so it holds its shape even if you don't have stuff in here. But it also keeps this rack. You can see right here, you've got 4 bolts holding the rack to the bag. If you look at the side here, these little rubber C-clips just simply slide onto the bar, and then this lays down and you tighten this and it clamps it down. So to install it, it's very easy. You're going to take this side and slip it into the second bar over, not the outside one. If you look at the bottom of this, it's offset 1 rung. So you're going to put this here, put this down here on the outside bar, and then it sets square and even across your tour pack. So we're going to just set this on. I'm going to slide that into place. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to tighten it down. Now, as I was saying a while ago, this is a rigid style pack. It's basically a rigid suitcase. So it doesn't matter if you have anything in there or not. This is the shape it's going to hold. We have heavy duty Ultramax fabric, UV protected. So with this thing out here blazing in the sun all day long, you don't have to worry about this thing turning a dingy brown. Now I'm going to go over some of the features that I think are cool about this pack. You do have a double zipper. You can bring these over to the middle right here, and of course they lock together. You can get this little lock right here from RickRak, or you can provide your own either way. You can run that through there, and that keeps this locked up. Now, one other thing I want to touch on real quick is these zippers, and I didn't even know this. You learn something new every day, right? So this is a reverse coiled zipper. If you look at this zipper, this is the zipper that just expands the bag and makes it taller. It doesn't actually give access to the inside of the bag. You can see the zipper right here. If you look up here at this one, the zipper is on the inside. So you've got this nice cover on the outside here that keeps dirt and crap like that from getting in through the zipper. If you unzip it, you can see that it has an additional flap on the inside. So when you zip it, you don't see the zipper teeth on the outside, and it has that additional flap in here that's going to keep from dirt and crap like that getting inside your bag. Now, this is a pretty good sized suitcase. You can see there's quite a bit of room in here, but if you need a little bit more room, couple of inches more room, unzip this top zipper right here, and this actually lifts up again and gives you another couple of inches of space. So you can see right there, you've got probably another good 3 inches of space right there. On the outside, of course, you have a large front pocket right here, double zipper on that one. On this side down here, you do have the smooth roller wheels and of course the 2 feet and another handle. On the other side, you do have another side pocket right here. Expands pretty far off the side of the pack, probably 1.5 inches, and you do have another carry handle here. Now RickRak also has this lower strap kit. So because this is the combo pack, we got the luggage and we have the quick detach. If you wanted to not use the quick detach system, you could simply use this and strap it down just like any other suitcase. Now if we get inside the bag, you'll see right off the bat you've got a big mesh pocket that covers almost the full length of the lid. So you've got even more room to store your small stuff in here, or stuff that you need to access often can be right here, and stuff that you don't have to dig out from the inside of your pack. And on both sides of this pack, you have another mesh pocket, once again for stuff that you need to access easily. Now it is a fully lined bag, and you may ask yourself, well, what's this zipper in the middle for? We can unzip that and I'll show you. Right there you can see the other side of the steel frame for that quick disconnect. So you're not just screwing that bottom rack into the bottom of the suitcase, you're actually screwing it into the steel rack, so it kind of sandwiches the suitcase. So we've talked about this luggage rack combo being a quick detach system. Basically unscrew these 2 things and take it off. So what keeps people from just walking by and taking it while you aren't looking, or maybe you're in the restroom, or maybe you're in a restaurant, something like that? What stops somebody from just walking over here, unscrewing it and walking off with your suitcase? RickRak has that covered too. Now right down here between these 2 T-handles, you're going to see this piece of steel here with the rubber grommet going through it. You can take this lock, which fits perfect, or you can provide your own lock. You just have to make sure that it's the right length to go around this. So you're basically just going to put this under, just like that, and lock it. So the reason why I say to use the RickRak lock, because it is the right length. You can provide your own lock. It is just a padlock, but the top of it is the right length to go around this bar and through this hole, and I can't even force this thing down to make it hit my paint. So if you provide your own lock, by all means, just make sure that you didn't get one that's real long or too long, and then this comes down and smacks your paint while you're riding. Now we move to my wife's second favorite part of the bag. The first part of the bag is it's actually a roller bag with a handle, and she can roll it. Second favorite part, this pocket right here. Big pocket on the outside closest to her. Easily put your cell phones, chapstick, sunscreen, stuff like that. So if we pull over, maybe we're getting gas, taking a break, whatever, she can easily access those items. She can check her cell phone, put her chapstick on, put her sunscreen on, and then yell at me for not putting mine on, my chapstick or my sunscreen, because she knows later I am going to complain about it because I do it every single time. Another cool thing about this is a sewn in handle. We're going to pull this up and pull it over. Heavy nylon strap sewn into the inside of that pocket. Now remember earlier when I showed you the outside pocket here and we had that rain cover in here. Here it is. Now this thing holds the shape of this bag, whether or not the top expansion part is down or it's up, and I'll show you how. Now that's on there with the top expansion part zipped down. If we needed the extra room, we had that top expansion part popped up. You don't want this pulling way up here. You simply unzip this just like that, and this expands as well. We come over to this side, remember those D hooks? And now you've got another way to carry the bag. Now, when I say quick detach, it is quick detach. You don't have all these straps holding your luggage down. This thing is ready to rock and roll when you stop. Even locked down with the padlock. Get your key out, unlock it. We're gonna put our lock in here so we don't lose it. We're gonna come over here, unscrew these, and we're gonna lift up and away, grab that top handle, and pull it off the bike. Once we have it down, we're going to unzip this backside, push our button in, pull our handle out, and away we go. Now that's the roller combo kit for the tour pack, and you're not completely out of the park if you don't have a tour pack. Now whether or not you have a passenger backrest or not, you can still use the luggage rack that goes on the back. It has to be just like this one. It can be black or chrome, but it cannot be the one that kind of comes up in the back like a little spoiler. You cannot use that one. It has to be a completely flat one like this. This is generally used on the back of the bike behind a passenger backrest. Now, whether or not you're a 1-up or a 2-up rider, it doesn't matter, but this is called the roller combo for 2-up. That's basically a passenger's backrest with a luggage rack on the back. So just make sure that when you're on the website, you actually click the correct one. We got some more stuff coming up shortly in another video from RickRak that I'm very excited to show you, so stay tuned for that video. Like I said, any questions on this one, comment section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can. I'm going to get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe popping up over here. And don't forget to check out the rest of the channel because we have a ton of bagger related and soft tail videos on our channel. And to get you started, maybe you can check out this one or this one. I'm not really going to say anything else. You can just click one of those and take you over to another video.